Hey everyone, I'm going to do the Cherokee color guard routine. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do this facing away from the camera, so that way you can do it from your perspective. Go step by step. Then I will do it with music, and then we should be good from there. So, all right. So a couple things we're going to first to start to do here is first, when I'm going to talk about grabbing the tab, I'm going to be talking about it here. And if you think about it, sometimes on flags, there is like a tab that's going to stick down here. And then sometimes I'll have a little bit of a piece right here. So when I'm talking about grabbing that, that's what I'm grabbing. All right. This is for a 6-foot flag. Okay. And this is also about the center of the flag. Okay. So I'm going to grab this with my right hand. All right. First thing I'm going to do is we're going to come to right shoulder. Okay, so you can see I'm going to grab my right shoulder is up in the air, and my left hand I'm going to grab it about my belly button. Okay, so we're going to go about from there. Okay, from here. Next, my thumb is up. Okay. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is there's going to be a drum thing, and there's actually it's going to go a back and forth type thing. But what we're first going to do is I'll go from a side profile first. First thing you're going to do is you're going to push forward. 1, hold 2, then switch your hands. When you switch your hands. Okay. My right hand comes to above my head. My left hand pushes forward. Okay. 1, 2, 3, hold 4. Then we're going to go quick. 5, 6, 7. All right. Now on count 8, I'm going to flip my hand upside down. My thumb is going to go upside down. Okay. Now, what also happens is there's also a group that's going to go the same thing, but they're going to go backwards. Okay. It kind of depends on how many people we have each year. And some people are going to go backwards. 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, and same thing. You're going to go. Everyone is going to come to their thumb down on in count 8. Okay. All right. Here we go. So that way, when you're doing it, the flags are going to look like they're crisscrossing when you're performing. All right. So here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7. Thumbs down. All right, from here, we're going to kind of do a different style drop spin for 1 second. All right, most of the time, our thumbs are going to be on the same direction. This is the one time that we're going to probably change it around for our hands to change position. All right, first thing we're going to do is my thumb is down. I want to face down, scoop down, kind of like you're making the letter J. I'm going to take my pinky fingers so they're matching up for just this 1 second. I want to keep as close as I can, and then I'm going to bring it straight up. And now up into left shoulder. Okay, so that's going to be count 2. Okay, from here, I'm going to drop down 3. When I was grabbing up, I'm going to grab the flag. Both thumbs are down. Thumbs are up. Thumbs are down. Thumbs are up, and now I'm back to right shoulder. Okay, I'll do it one more time. So we just did 5, 6, 7 thumbs, 8, 1, up, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And when I did that 8, I caught it right here at my belly button. Okay? All right, from here, we call this the sword. Okay, so if you want to think about like an old-fashioned, all right, so you're going to go over to the side, 1. You're going to pretend you're putting your sword in its sheath, okay, and you're going to slide straight down. Okay, so if I'm going to my right, same thing. So I'm just kind of making, let it slide through, so I went over. Now, from here, it's going to, you just switch shoulders. Switch. Okay? All right, so I want to slid down, switch. Now I'm going to push it straight up. And when I pushed it straight up, sorry, that's hard to see with the flag. Okay. When I pushed it straight up, I just slid my hand here. So this hand stayed stationary and this hand's moving. Okay. 3, sorry. So 1, 2, 3, open 4, repeat 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, the next part is everyone's going to come up to center. However, this is going to be a ripple, and the ripple is literally just coming straight down. Boom. Now, when you're doing that, a couple different things. First, you want to check your right hand. My right hand is coming down towards my hip, and my left arm, I'm focusing on my left arm staying straight. So this part, my top part might change where I'm going, but my arm is staying level no matter what happens. So that way, no matter how tall you are, the arm is going to stay out straight, and then you'll have to adjust your left hand based off of where your hip is, and then where you make contact with the flag, okay? All right, it's kind of like wearing a seatbelt. All right, so we're going to do a little ripple. Our first group's going to go 1, 2. Our second group's going to drop down 3, 4. The next group drops down 5, 6. And then everyone comes up 7, 8. Okay? All right. Ready? Here we go. All right. Next part is we're going to be doing drop spins. These are going to be normal. They're not with the little crazy J thing. So this one we're going to go towards, we're going to go counterclockwise. All right, so remember, so my thumb's up at the tab. All right, I'm going to drop. So I'm going to let the weight of the flag go down. Now my thumb is down. Take my left hand, I want to grab the flag. All right, and both of my thumbs are down. Now I want to let go of the flag, and then will just naturally fall, and then match my thumbs up. That'll be 2. Okay, we're gonna do it again. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now, for right now, we're going to practice doing this for 3 sets of 8. But typically, this will be group 1 will do the first set, group 2 will do the second set, and then everyone's going to do the third one all together. So we're going to practice 8 counts, or sorry, 3/8 of this. Ready? 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and all right, on that and I pulled back up. Okay, back to our right shoulder. From here, we're going to go down 1, 2, same thing. Check your hip and your flat arm, okay? So we're going to go 1, 2. Now we're going to turn towards our left. So you're going to go turn to your left. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Next, I'll count 8. You're going to snap back up on 8. Okay? All right, next, we're going to do what we call like charge. So you want to think like old-fashioned, like the medieval jousting. All right, you want to keep your flag as flat as you can, okay? All right, this will be another group that when you get to practice, we'll go and figure out. Some people are going to go forwards first, and then some people are going to go backwards with their flags first. So, but either way, it's always going to same. All right, so the first part you're going to do is 1, 2. So whenever I go through, I'm going to hold, whichever way I go, I'm always going to hold the tab no matter what. My left hand is going to be adjusting based on how far I can stretch, okay? You don't want to have to be like twisting. That's going to be very difficult for this movement. All right, so you almost want to think of like choking up or something, okay? All right, so when I go over 1, 2, all right, and I'll show you what my other hand looks like here. When I go over 1, 2, you can see I kind of let it slide over, okay? Come back up 3, 4, go backwards, 5, 6. This one's a little bit easier, but you can still see I can't reach anymore, so I just kind of let it go. Pull back up, 7, 8, go again. 1, hold, 2, 3, hold, 4, 5, hold, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, next, or 17, 18, 19, 20, yeah. When I play the music, it'll go. Okay, so we're going to do it. The next thing we're going to do is called a can of worms. Okay, so after we came up here, everyone should be back here by 7, 8, the entire squad. This is going to be group 1 is going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Group 2 is going to go 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? All right, so when we do that, first thing you're going to do is 1. You're going to bring your hands out level. 2, drop it back down to our seatbelt type thing. Remember, keep that arm level. So, sorry, 1, 2, 3. Make sure they're both flat. Back up 4. Okay, the group 2 is going to go 5, 6, 7, 8. I will say there are some variations, and it kind of changes each year. So you want to keep this one flat, but sometimes we've gone completely flat on this one, and then other times we've just gone level. So it just kind of changes each year depending on your second layer cells. All right, going on. From here, we're going to do a windmill. So a windmill is, we're up here at, so everyone came back up here. All right, from here. So my thumb is still up on the tab. It really hasn't changed yet, okay? So first I'm going to do is I'm going to brush my bangs. 1, 2. Then I'm going to comb my ponytail. 3, 4. Okay, so I go 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you hold 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so now we're going to repeat our drop spin, something you already know, but it's going to be a pause in there. So I'm going to do drop, spin, up. Okay. 1, 2, hold, 3, hold, 4, and 5, 6, 7. Now 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and. Okay. All right, the next part's the craziest piece, and it might take It usually takes people the longest to figure out, but once you get it, it's going to work out pretty quickly. This is going to be 24 counts. All right, you're going to let the flag go normal, or just wherever it goes. For right now, I'm going to strip the flag here just to help you out with that. Okay, so first part is you're going to charge forward, 1, all right? Now, this next section, I'm going to say, I want to keep everything within my elbows. When I do this 1, you can still see I'm kind of up on my side, okay? I'm not sticking out, okay? So I'm going to keep down, 1. Okay, so here we go. You're going to just fold it towards yourself, 2. All right, so if I kind of go to the side, I point forward, 1, 2. All right, so now I'm pointing towards my left. From here, I'm going to flip over, 3, okay? And when I did, that's one reason, so I went 1, 2, 3. If I face the camera for 1 second, 1, fold over normal, 2, and I just untwist my arms, 3. Okay, all right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to point our flag forward, okay? Just point straight forward. So all I just did was 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, face the camera again. So 1, 2, 3, point 4. From here, you're going to bring it up to your shoulder. 5. Now this time you're going to point over 6. You want to keep your right arm on top. Okay, 6. Then point back forward 7. Come back over 8. All right, and that's the whole count. You're going to 3 times. All right, ready? So we're going to go forward, fold, flip, forward, shoulder, reverse fold, point, and up. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I'm going to let go of the flag this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, now it's really important to make sure you are holding the flag. If you start bringing out, you are not going to control the flag. So remember, you need to be responsible for you're holding the flag. The flag does not hold you. Okay. All right, from here, after this, you're just going to repeat the little up 1, 2, turn 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, from here, so we're just going to repeat the beginning one more time. Okay, with that, just a change at the very end. So repeat 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, thumb down, 1, up 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, you're going to pull. This is going to get a little bit weird. You're going to kind of pull and flip your flag around. Okay? So, best thing is, my right hand's going to kind of pull the flag and push down. Now, this flag is taller than me. So one of the things you're going to have to do when you have something taller than you, you're going to have to bring your left hand up above your head so it has time to roll up, and then you're going to catch it, okay? Your right hand's going to help push it around for time, okay? So you want to go over 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, when I catch it, it's going to be, it's going to be caught in my right hand. So from here. So as soon as you catch it, you're going to go up, comb your bang, bring it out. From here, your left hand's going to kind of bring your hand up, and then you're going to catch it and then pull up, and that's it. Okay, so I'm going to try with music, and then I'll see if I can do it 2 times here. So we hit play. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Thumb down. drop spin, group 1, group 2, all together, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, 1, 2, 3, 4, charge, up, handlebars, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and drop spin up, drop spin up, drop spin, okay, here it comes, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, point, pull, foot, point, shoulder, pull, and point, pull, foot, point, up, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, beginning, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, come down, 1, 2, down, up, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, hope this helps you out.